Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my baby's full wash day routine. So that's everything from start to finish. As always, get comfortable, pour yourself a drink and enjoy. So the first step, I like to lightly finger detangle my daughter's hair. She usually has plaits in, so just making sure that I have separated her hair properly and there's no like plaits hidden. Then the next step, I like to fully saturate her hair with water. This helps to loosen any knots or tangles and also to rinse away some of that product buildup from her hair. So now it's time for me to shampoo her hair, and before I do this I like to emulsify the shampoo in my palms and then apply it to her hair. This helps with spreadability. It just really helps to ensure that the shampoo spreads evenly, and also you end up saving on how much shampoo you use because you've emulsified it first. And as I'm shampooing her scalp, I like to use the pads of my fingers rather than my nails. You really don't want to be scratching up your baby's scalp. You don't want to do that. Their scalps are so sensitive, and you just want to avoid any kind of damage to their scalp by using your nails. So stick to using the pads of your fingers. Okay, mamas, so I know some of you are probably wondering, how do I get my baby to sit so still, or she seems quite calm and unbothered, fuss-free, stress-free, and tear-free? Well, to be honest, she's had a regime from when she was newborn, so she's used to having my hands in her hair, so that's why she seems to be so calm. And it's really because of all the steps that I'm going to be talking you through in this video. Now, as always, to help you, because I know some of you are dealing with infants that are stressed on wash day, tearful on wash day, which is also making you stress. So I've created this 8-point checklist guide that is going to help you also have a successful wash day for your infant. All you need to do is to click the link below this video in the description box, and you can get access to this free guide so that your wash day with your infant can also be a successful one. So now it's time for me to condition and detangle. So when I detangle my daughter's hair, I always make sure that I work in sections. As I'm working in sections, I start off by finger detangling her hair. And the reason why I do this is to remove any kind of knots or tangles first. And then I use a wide tooth comb to further detangle her hair. See, this is the reason why I like to finger detangle first, because as you can see, I'm coming across some knots and tangles in her hair. If I had used the wide tooth comb straight away, that would have ripped out her hair and also probably caused her some kind of discomfort or pain. And of course, breakage, which we're trying to avoid. To get access to your free infant wash day checklist, don't forget to click the link below this video in the description box and you'll be able to get access to this free checklist, specially made for you by me. So once I'm done with conditioning and detangling my daughter's hair, I like to give her a bath, let the conditioner sit in her hair for the duration of her bath time. Once I'm done with giving her a bath, I then rinse out the conditioner from her hair. So finished giving her a bath now. I'm now going to rinse the conditioner from her hair. I hope this video was helpful for you, mamas. If it was, comment below. I love reading your comments. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, share if anyone you feel may benefit from watching, and also subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.